So you've found and analyzed your first FBA deal. You now need to buy it in order for you to send it into Amazon's warehouse. So in this section, I'll just be giving you some hints and tips on what you do need to be doing. Now, it isn't too complex on the actual ordering part. It really is as simple as just ordering it to your address. Then you've got the product to send it into Amazon's warehouse. But there are a few things you can be doing and using in order to maximize your profit when buying your FBA product. So the first thing to consider is actually how you pay for your products. And is there anything you can be using in order to earn some extra money or earn some benefits for you? So we always recommend to look at using a card like American Express, because what that will mean is that you can earn points on every single item you purchase. And as you can imagine, with Amazon FBA, you're going to be spending a lot on products, which means you can get a lot on points and you can use this towards travel, all sorts. Here we are on the website and you can have a look. There's quite a variety of things that you can actually use your points for, and it doesn't cost you anything really. You're buying the products anyway, so why not get something back for it? Now, we do actually have a referral link for American Express, where if you do sign up, you'll get a load of welcome points. So if you were thinking of getting an American Express card, make sure to use it and you'll get some extra points without actually having to spend any money. So the next thing to be doing is to be looking for the discount codes on your purchases. So often websites are going to have obscure discount codes which you'd have absolutely no idea where to look, how to find them. There are lots of discount code websites out there. We recommend to use a Chrome extension like Honey. What Honey will do is when you are checking out, it's going to try and find discount codes for your purchases. Now, a lot of the time it won't find any, sometimes it will, and it's totally free, so there's absolutely no reason not to use it. And then the final thing to be looking at using are cashback websites. So you've got websites like Top Cashback or Quidco if you're in the UK. All this actually does is they will give you cash back when you shop through their links. So all that these websites are doing is they are paying Top Cashback, Quidco, a cut for referring customers to them, and then you are getting some commission. And again, it is totally free to use, and it is just a great way of earning some extra profit on your orders.